Hello students, good morning all of you. Today in English 1 we will solve exercise problems. So all of you get ready with your English 1 book and also with pen and papers so that you can write the questions in your copy. Students, this is the first unit of English 1 and the topic is parts of speech. Okay. So I have already explained the parts of speech in my video and also provided you the PDF notes. Now what you have to do, you have to read the PDF notes and you should also watch my video and you have to understand clearly the parts of speech. Then we will solve exercise problems. So let us see what are the questions in parts of speech. Okay. Yes, student. This is the first questions you can see. Number A. Identify the nouns, adjectives, and pronouns and write them in the correct columns. So here you can see that the question says that we have to find out noun, adjectives and pronouns from these sentences and we have to write here in their right columns. Three columns are given: nouns, adjectives and pronouns. So let us see in the sentence and try to find out what is noun, what is adjective and what is pronouns. The first one is already made. He bought fresh apples. Here you can see that he is a pronoun. Fresh is an adjective and apples is a noun. So here you can see that they are written in the right columns. He is a pronoun. That's why written in pronoun columns. Nouns is written in noun columns and adjective is written in adjective columns. Similarly, in all the sentence, you have to find out what is noun, adjective and pronoun and you have to write here in these columns. Okay. So let us see on more. That will help you. The music was very loud. Here you have to find out what is. At first, what is noun? You can see that music is noun and loud is adjective. Okay. So we have to write here music. You have to write in columns. In these columns, music and adjectives is loud. You have to write in these columns. Okay. So similarly, you have to write all these nouns, adjectives and pronouns in their right columns. So let me show you how you have to prepare in your copy. Like this, students, you have to prepare three tables. Okay. Nouns, adjective and pronouns and you have to write. You can see in noun columns from the second sentence: music, Maria, friend, picnic, garden, Mayur, Shub, gardener. Adjectives: loud, unwell, busy, her. Pronouns: her, he, him, we, her. So in this way you have to write in your copy. Now let us see the next question. What the next question says: identify the verbs, adverbs and prepositions and write them in their correct columns. So the similar questions, but here you have to find verbs, adverbs and prepositions. Then you have to write in their given columns. Okay. So let us see the first one. The boy lay on the bed lazily. Here you can see that lay is a verb, on is a preposition and lazily is an adverb. And so they are written in their right columns. Lay is a verb, lazily is an adverb and preposition is on is an preposition. So I hope you understood how you have to solve. Similarly, the fishermen were busy during the day. So what will be verb here? Fishermen will be busy during the day. Try to find out. Yes, busy will be verb. Okay. And what will be adverb? Try to find out. So there is no adverb in this sentence, students. So fisherman is a, it's a noun, it's not verb. Busy is a verb during the day. So there will be busy, that is verb. Okay. And during is an adverb. Sorry, preposition. During is an preposition. So you have to write in their columns. Third number, they waited for the train eagerly. Now find out, you have to find out what is verb and what is preposition, what is adverb, and you have to write in their columns. So the waited will be verb and eagerly will be adverb and for will be preposition. So you have to write in there these columns, you have to prepare in their copy. Okay, let me show you how you have to prepare the answers. Yes, like this. You have to prepare verbs, adverbs, and preposition 3 columns, and you have to write like this. Okay, you will get the PDF also, but at first you have to try to solve yourself. Let us see the next questions. Identify the conjunction and interjection and write them in their correct columns on the next page. Here in this sentence, conjunction and interjections are given. Okay, and you have to write in their columns. Similar questions. So first one is already made. We wanted to go to the fair, but it was already late. Here you can see that but is connecting the two parts of the sentence. Okay, we wanted to go to the fair, one part, and it was already late. It was second part, but it is connected by but. So but is conjunction. So but is written here in conjunction form. Similarly, wait, be careful when you cross the bridge. Here you can see that note of exclamation after wait. So wait will become interjection, and when will become conjunction, because when is connecting the two parts of the sentence. Be careful you cross the bridge. Okay, so wait will be interjection and when will be conjunction. So you have to write in their right columns. Now let us see the next questions. Complete this sentence with the correct adverbs or adjectives from the box. Here in box, adverbs and adjectives are given, and you have to pick the right one and you have to place in fill the blanks place. So the first one is already made. She slowly walked towards the house. Okay, she slowly walked towards the house. So slowly is given. It is already done. You should be dashed in the face of danger. So you have to find out the right answer. What will be happen? Yes, calm. You should be calm in the face of danger. Okay. Next one. My sister is a dash person. She is always smiling. What will happen? My sister is a cheerful person. She is always smiling. Okay. Now the next one is. Our neighbors moved into this colony in 2008. They have been living here. Yes. What will happen here? Since. Okay? Since. When Tarun fell sick, everyone was very dash. Now find when Tarun fell sick, everyone was. What will happen? Worry. Okay? So worry will be placed here. Number 6. I am dash to take part in quiz competition. What will happen? I am eager. I am eager to take part in the quiz competition. Okay. Now see the next one. Nita sings to her grandmother. What will happen? Frequently. Okay. It is given in the box. Nita sings to her mother frequently. Now let us see the next. The dash mouse is carried into the small hole. What type of mouse can enter this carried hole? Let us see the box. Tiny. Okay, so tiny will be the right answer. The tiny mouse is carried into the small hole. Now Kashyap reached school dash. No one was there yet. What will happen? Kashyap reached school early. Okay? Early. No one was there yet. And the last one is the students wrote their exam. What will happen? Quietly. Okay. So this is finished. Students clean the blanks, adverbs and preposition. You have to pick from the box and you have to write in right place. So these are all about clean the blanks. Now this is complete this paragraph with the correct conjunction part in this clean the blanks. You have to put right conjunction, and the second one is preposition. So we will see in our next video about this conjunction and prepositions. Okay, so till now we have completed number D, number C, number B, and number A. So 4 questions are already completed now. So you have to write in your copy, and you have to write all the answers. What table is to make, you have to make the table. Okay. So students, in our next video we will see some other exercise and we will try to solve. Till then, take care of